exercise of rate of change. Find the velocity and acceleration at the end of 2 seconds, where we have given the displacement. A particle is moving by the relation s is equal to 2t square plus 3t plus 1. That means ये जो s is equal to 2t square plus 3t plus 1 है, this is the displacement of the particle. We have to find the velocity and acceleration at the end of 2 seconds. So s is equal to 2t square plus 3t plus 1. So the velocity, as you know, velocity is given by v is equal to derivative of displacement with respect to time, ds by dt. So this is d by dt of s is 2t square plus 3t plus 1, and differentiating it, t square का डेरिवेटिव 2t, so 2 into 2t ये हो गया 4t plus 3 into t का डेरिवेटिव 1 and 1 का डेरिवेटिव 0, so this is 4t plus 3. Similarly, we can find acceleration A. Acceleration is the derivative of velocity with respect to time, dv by dt. So this is d by dt of v, and v is 4t plus 3. So ये हो गया 4 into t का डेरिवेटिव 1 with t and plus 3 constant, डेरिवेटिव 0 is 4. So velocity and acceleration तो हमको मिल गया, बट हमको चाहिए velocity and acceleration at the end of 2 seconds. मतलब t is given 2 seconds. So after t is equal to 2 seconds, we get velocity v is equal to v at v. We have to find velocity at t is equal to 2. So velocity is 4t plus 3, put t is equal to 2. That means 4 into 2 plus 3, and this will be, and here unit is time का unit 2 seconds है, so this will be 4 into 11. this is unit per second, क्योंकि displacement का unit नहीं है, so you take at unit. That means this is 4 into 2 8 plus 3 11. This is 11 units per second. So this is the velocity, and the acceleration at the end of 2 seconds is, we have to put acceleration is 4 and we have to put t is equal to 2, but यहाँ t नहीं है, so is 4, and the unit for acceleration is unit per second square. So this is the velocity and acceleration at the end of 2 seconds. Another question, s the displacement is given by the relation s is equal to root t plus 1, and now the velocity is v is equal to ds by dt, and this is a derivative of s is root t plus 1, and this, as you know, root t का डेरिवेटिव है 1 by 2 root t and डेरिवेटिव 1 is 0. And next is acceleration. Acceleration a is the derivative of velocity, derivative of 1 by 2 into root t, and this is, after differentiating, as you know, you will get, this will be minus 1 by 4 into t to the power 3 by 2. So these are the velocity and acceleration, but हमको तो चाहिए velocity and acceleration after 2 seconds. So at the end of 2 seconds, मतलब time is given 2 seconds. So velocity at the end of 2 seconds, that means we have to put t is equal to 2. Velocity at the end of t is equal to 2. Velocity is 1 by 2 root t, 1 by 2 into, and we have to put t is equal to 2. This is root over 2, and the unit तो displacement का नहीं है, unit per second. So this is 1 by 2 root 2 unit per second. And next is the acceleration. This is the velocity, and next is the acceleration a at the end of t is equal to 2, and here acceleration is minus 1 by 4 into t to the power 3 by 2. We have to put t is equal to 2. So if we put t is equal to, this will be minus 1 upon 4 into 2 to the power 3/2, and this is unit per second square. So now if we solve this, if we simplify this, this will be -1 by, this will be 8 into √2 unit per second square. And next question, S is given 3/2t plus 1, and velocity v is equal to ds by dt. This is d by dt of 3/2t plus 1, and 3 is constant. Derivative of 1/2t plus 1, तो 1 by x का डेरिवेटिव -1 by x square, so this is -1 by, this is square of 2t plus 1 into derivative of 2t plus 1 is 2, and this is -6 upon 2t plus 1 square. So this is the velocity, -6 by 2t plus 1 whole square. Next is the acceleration A, and this is the velocity, derivative of velocity, and this is equal to d by dt of velocity is -6 by 2t plus 1 square. So this is, after differentiating we will get, as you know, this is -6 into 1 by x square का डेरिवेटिव है -2 by x क्यू. So this is 2t plus 1 का q into derivative of 2t plus 1 is 2. So this is 6 2 is 12, 2 is 24, and it's 24 by 2t plus 1 to the power 3. But we have to find velocity and acceleration at the end of 2 seconds. That means v at the end of t is equal to 2. So velocity is this one. So we have to find the value of this -6 by 2t plus 1 whole square at t is equal to 2. Simply put t is equal to 2. So if you put t is equal to 2, this will be -6 by 2 into 2 plus 1 का whole square. So this will be -6 by 2 to the 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, and this is 5 का square is 25, and this is unit per second. Next is acceleration at the end of 2 seconds, and this is, as you know, this will be acceleration is 24 by 2t plus 1 का whole cube. So this is 24 by 2t plus 1 का whole cube, but ये वैल्यू हमको चाहिए at t is equal to 2. So this is 24 by 2 into 2 plus 1 का whole cube. So this is 24 by 2 to the 4 plus 1 5, and 5 का क्यूब हो गया 125, and this is unit per second square. So this is the velocity and acceleration at the end of 2 seconds. Next question, the displacement s is given tq minus 6t square plus 15t plus 12. We have to find velocity and acceleration at the end of 2 seconds. First is the velocity. As you know, velocity v is derivative of a displacement. This is ds by dt, and d by dt of tq minus 6t square plus 15t plus 12. And after differentiating, we will find this is 3t square minus 12t plus 15. Then is the acceleration. Acceleration is dv by dt, and this is equal to derivative of acceleration is equal to a is equal to dv by dt, and this is the derivative of a velocity. Velocity is 3t square minus 12t plus 15, and this is 6t minus 12. But we have to find velocity and acceleration at the end of 2 seconds. That means velocity at the end of 2 seconds. ये जो velocity है इसका value हमको चाहिए at the end of 2 seconds. That means 3t square minus 12t plus 15 at t इज इक्वल टू, सिंपली पुट t इज इक्वल टू, मैं डायरेक्ट पुट करता हूँ 3 इंटू 2 का स्क्वायर हो गया 4 माइनस 12 इंटू टी का वैल्यू 2 हो गया प्लस 15 एंड दिस इज इक्वल 3 4 जा 12 माइनस 24 प्लस 15 and this is equal to 12 minus 24 is minus 24 and 15 minus 24 is 15 minus 12 is 3, so this is 3 unit per second and this is a unit per second and all these are unit per second. Next is the acceleration at the end of t is equal to, so acceleration is 60 minus 12, so this is 6 into t minus 12 at the end of t is equal to 2, so 6 into 2 minus 12, this unit per second square and this is 0 unit per second square. So here the acceleration becomes 0 but velocity is 3 unit per second.